Are you ready to take a step into a world where every stride propels you closer to your fitness goals? Imagine this, a realm where you don't just run, but you conquer, you evolve, and you transform. What if I told you that this world is accessible through a machine we commonly find in our gyms and homes? The humble yet mighty treadmill. Welcome, fitness warriors, to an exploration of the extraordinary journey that is Treadmill Triumph. I'm here to unravel the secrets, share the stories, and guide you through a narrative that will redefine your perspective on treadmill workouts. So, buckle up, or should I say lace up, because we're about to embark on a fitness odyssey that will leave you inspired, invigorated, and craving that next stride. Let's dive in. Imagine waking up every day to the rhythmic hum of the treadmill, your heart racing in anticipation of the challenge ahead. What awaits you is more than just a workout. It's a rendezvous with self-discovery. Treadmill workouts offer a symphony of benefits that orchestrate a healthier you, from boosting cardiovascular endurance to turbocharging your metabolism. As you run, each step echoes a story of resilience, of breaking barriers, and of rewriting what you thought was possible. But why choose the treadmill when the great outdoors beckons? Ah, my friend, let's talk about the magic of weatherproof workouts. Rain or shine, the treadmill stands unwavering, ready to usher you into a world of sweat and accomplishment. No more weather-induced setbacks, no more excuses. And for those who find motivation dwindling when the workout destination is miles away, the treadmill brings the gym to you. Every step is a declaration of your commitment to yourself. What's the secret behind the treadmill's allure? It's in the biomechanics, the science of movement. The treadmill's cushioned surface is a testament to thoughtful design, reducing the impact on your joints and minimizing the risk of injuries. Imagine a surface that cradles your feet like a supportive friend, carrying you through the miles with care. The result? You're not just running, you're dancing through an orchestra of exercise physiology. However, as in any adventure, there are challenges to heed. The treadmill, while a companion to many, might not be suited for all. For those battling joint issues, cardiovascular concerns, or other health complexities, a rendezvous with your physician is paramount. By collaborating with the guardians of your well-being, you can carve a path to fitness that's tailored to your unique narrative, ensuring both safety and success. Unveiling the Calorie Chronicles, a transformation tale. But let's turn the spotlight to a chapter that captivates all the journey of weight loss. Can the treadmill truly be your partner in this transformative saga? Brace yourself for a revelation. The treadmill is not just a prop, it's a catalyst. Walking or running on its conveyor of change can help you bid adieu to anywhere from 200 to a staggering 800 calories. Yet remember, this transformation is a symphony. It's a fusion of your efforts on and off the treadmill. Nutrition, hydration, and mindfulness dance alongside those strides. Decoding the treadmill, enigma, home versus commercial. As our narrative nears its zenith, let's address a question that often echoes in fitness corridors. Do I need a professional-grade treadmill for my home sanctuary? The answer, my dear compatriots of fitness, is nuanced. The commercial treadmill, built for the relentless rhythms of the gym, might be a tad overzealous for your cozy haven. Enter the home treadmill, sleek, streamlined, and designed for your personal pursuit of excellence. It's not just about the machine, it's about the synergy between you and your fitness journey. And so our treadmill saga unfolds. A tale woven with sweat, determination, and the exhilaration of progress. Each stride you take is a testimony to your spirit, your grit, and your unwavering commitment to a healthier life. The treadmill is more than a conveyor belt. It's a bridge to your dreams, a gateway to your aspirations. It's where stories of transformation are etched, where sweat and smiles converge, and where limits are defied. With that said, dear adventurers, our treadmill odyssey comes to a close. But your journey continues, one stride, one heartbeat at a time. Keep running, keep striving, and keep chasing the horizon of your potential. Remember, this is not just about the treadmill. It's about the magnificent narrative you're crafting with every step. Until next time, keep embracing the rhythm of progress, for your triumph awaits. For more videos, please subscribe. If you learned anything new, please comment on what you learned down below. Also, like and share this video with a friend so they can learn the benefits of running on a treadmill. Thank you for joining me on this voyage. And until our stories entwine once more, stay fierce, stay focused, and stay fit.